Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Peach slices in light syrup are one of the cheapest fruit you can buy. Tins, they're about 39 pence in Aldi, Asda and Home Bargains at the moment. Pretty much are everywhere. But what can you make with them? So I've made this little dessert. It was supposed to show you the layers, but there you go. I'm just going to show you real life. So what I did was I've got a clean cereal bag, and in that bag I put some ginger nut biscuits and bashed them with a rolling pin. So at the bottom of the dish, well, a glass, I put some of the crumbs. Then I chopped up the peaches into little tiny pieces. I use scissors because I struggle with my hands. And as Julie Roberts would say in Pretty Woman, slippery little suckers. Because they go, they're like fish, they go jumping everywhere. But persevere, maybe chop it up with a knife if that's what you prefer to do. But yeah, they are slippery. And then, so I put a few pieces of the peach on top of the ginger nut biscuit crumbs, and then in this bowl I've mixed a tub of double cream, which is £1.39 in Aldi at the moment, and a full tub of soft cream cheese, which is 95 pence at the moment. So I just grease it up with a hand whisk, like a manual one, not electric one, and put in a dollop of the cream and cheese mix in there. Some people like to mix in a bit of ice and sugar to make it sweeter, but why not use a little tablespoon of the syrup that comes with it to give it a flavour. And then repeat, do the ginger nut biscuit crumbs, small peaches, some more of the cream mixture, and then top with some more breadcrumbs and peaches, so it looks really nice. A bit tidier than mine. I've got arthritis in my hands, so I don't know what your excuse is. I'll leave it to chill for a few hours in the fridge. The double cream whips up quite thickly, whereas single cream tends to stay runny, or you could use whipping cream instead. I'm going to do a similar thing in a sweet pastry case that I managed to pick up for 15p. It was dated October, so I used one the other week. So again, I've just chopped up the peaches, added the ginger nut crumbs, and I'm going to top it with the cream mixture and throw a few of the ginger nut crumbs on top. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I just think it looks pretty in a glass if it's done properly, but even like that, it's like a nice cheap dessert and you can easily make a good few out of it. So bye for now, and I hope to see you soon.